Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make folded skin commercial building. Okay, first of all we have to make rotated rectangle for the basic shape. Okay, and then we can and then make a dimension. We can start from maybe we can type 10,000 millimeter or 10 meter, and we can set the length of it around 24 meter. Okay, and then we can set the thickness about it. We can set the thickness around we can set the thickness around 800 millimeter. So then we can make group. We can make group first. So then we can make component and create. Okay, and after that we can move it to the top position. For the ground floor, we can set the floor to ceiling around 500 millimeter or 5 meter. And then for the upper floor, we can set the floor to ceiling around 3.4 meter, something like this. So then we can make the duplicate it, and can type x6, and type 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, in 7th floor with the maybe we can decorate the floor. Okay, and after that we can make it all to be unique. So we have to make an overslap, and we have to make extend the slab extension like this. We can offset it outside around 400 millimeter, so that we can push it down around 200 millimeter. Okay. So this is overslap anyway. Okay, I'm sorry, and then we can offset it again. We can offset it more, maybe around 1500 millimeter. Okay, something like this. So then we can make a thickness around 200 millimeter. Okay, it's for facade anyway. Okay, and then we can make a basic shape. We can make a basic shape with the line. We can make a basic shape with the line, or maybe we can use the measure tool to offset it, and we can copy it, select move and press Ctrl. Then we can duplicate it to the another side. We can click it and we can type 10 slash. So it would be grid. So it would be a equal arrangement of the module of the skin anyway. So then we can make a line. We can make the pattern from it. We can make the pattern like this, and it's done. And we can make a horizontal arrangement, or maybe we can finish it first. We can select a line, we can use this, we can follow the node anyway, we can follow the every single node. Okay, and then we can set the longitudinal arrangement by we can use this tape measure tool again. We can place on here. We can first of all, if you want to use tape measure tool, you have to select this and click from this, and just click from to this. So then we can duplicate by select Control and place on it. Then you can divided, then we can type 6/ and enter, so it would be automatic arrangement. So then we can continue it and continue the arrangement anyway, or maybe we can use this, or it's too small, so then we can choose this arrangement. Okay, then we can continue it. We can make the arrangement over there. Okay, just like this. This is arrangement of the folded wall anyway. So we have to make the another arrangement to the upper floor anyway. We can select it all, select this guideline all, then we can move. Okay, and we can move through the blue axis. Okay, so we have the pattern above the floor anyway. So we have to make the incline pattern on above, on this top floor, on this above the floor. We have to make an incline pattern. We have to select a line, so then we can just select this diagonal. Okay, and if it's go forward, it's to the back, so we can make it more zigzag pattern anyway, something like this. Okay, so we can continue it to the another side with a line also. We can make it, we can make the pattern, so just follow the every single intersection of this guideline and the slab anyway. Okay, this one. So then we can continue it, and continue by selecting the line. We can make a pattern it all. Okay, then we can continue to the another side. Okay, yes, so we have to make a two type of the folded wall concept or folded wall pattern anyway. This is two type. Then we have to delete unnecessary guideline anyway, so then we can move it to the another side for temporary to check it up. Okay, we can move it to check it up. Okay, then we can offset it inside with offset tool, offset it, and we can offset it around 40 or 50 millimeter. So then we can erase it, and just we can select it all and push it up until this floor anyway. Okay, so we can make group and make component and create. Okay, and after that we can move, so then we can move it to the another side. We can move it to the origin position anyway. And also we can do this with the same method. We have to select this plane, select all this plane, so we have to offset it inside around 50 millimeter. It's just for example, just for 3D modeling purpose, not for detail engineering drawing, because it just for make the first impression when you discuss the first meet or the first progress to your partner or to your client anyway. So it's so important to make a dealing about the project, because of the first impression are important to make a project, the project deal or undeal anyway. Okay, something like this. Okay, wait. I'm sorry. I think it would be better if we didn't give it the zigzag type of it, so we can make the another type anyway. We can just delete it all, or we can undo. We can undo the step first. We can undo the step. Okay, we have to make the another type of it because it too short face to make the folded one, so we can make it more representative. Okay, so we can make it diagonal, the long diagonal. Then we can erase it also. Then we can make the another type also over there. Maybe we can use this. Okay, so it would be a nice flip-flop between the top and the bottom position. So then it will be like this. Okay, and we can erase, and we can make another concept. Okay, just something like this. So then we have to offset it inside around 50 millimeter. We can erase. Okay, so then we have to push it up until like this. Then we have to make group, and also we can do it the same method with the bottom plane. Okay, we can type of 50 millimeter, then we can erase. So then we can push it up. Okay, I think it's must be better than before. Okay, we can make it component, create. So then we get make component and just create. So then we can select the both of this place. Then we can move and duplicate it. Okay, it's done anyway. So we can get the basic shape of the office. With the commercial building anyway. You can get it. Then don't forget to make we can make it unique. Don't forget to make parapet on the top floor. We can set the thickness around 200 millimeter. So then we can set the height around 2000 millimeter or 2 meter. So then we can make any size of the room surfaces on the top floor itself. You can set the height around 3000 millimeter. Okay, and after that we can make the we can enlarge this plane anyway. We can enlarge this plane. Maybe it's around like this, 1000 more. Then we have to push it down anyway. So then we can delete unnecessary line anyway. And don't forget to copy this plane because it core building. This is a core building anyway. So we have to select it, copy, and then we can paste in place, and then we can move to the ground floor anyway. So then we can push it up. Okay, it's look more representative. Then we can make another floor, another extension, semi outdoor floor. We can select this plane. So then we have to offset it outside. We can offset around 2000 millimeter only. Then we have to push it to the upper position, just a little bit difference, just a little distinction over there. Then we can make the place again. We can make a place with a rectangle. We can place from the corner to corner. Then we can offset it inside around 50 millimeter also. Then we can erase the center plane of it. Then we have to push it up. Okay, something like this. And then we can make it group, and also we can make a glass material over there. We can glass material. Okay, we can apply to the another concept. Okay, and then we can adjust. Okay, we can adjust skin maybe. I think we can adjust more for this floor anyway. For this bottom floor, we can use this, make it unique. So then we can make it extension anyway. So we can make it extend like this to make a drop off area maybe. Then we can make the variation by select this line, select move, and bring it to the another position. Or we can also push it to the front of it just a little bit more, maybe around 7 meter. We can continue the diagonal line over there, so then we have to push it down. It's just basic exploration anyway. It's just basic exploration, so you have to make the another complex exploration about it. Then we can make the another landscape area maybe. Can push it down and make group, and maybe we can push it to the another side more. Then we can make the another landscape more. We can push it to the another side. Okay, and then we have to make group. Then we have to make another level of the floor over there. It's just for conceptual. It's just for a conceptual purpose. You can make it more detailed by exercise yourself to make this model anyway. Okay, we can set the staircase step. We can set the 150 for the staircase stepping. Okay, be something like this. Then we have to move it down around 150. We can set it more. Okay, I think it's enough. Maybe you can improve it for more detail anyway. So, and after that we can make the landscape area over there. We can make a landscape area. It is for simple exploration actually. Okay, we can make group and we can make a barrier, just a little barrier of it. Okay. So, and then we can make the landscaping. We can make it. Then we can make the just for example anyway. Sorry, okay, maybe we can make it more detailed. Wait, sorry, we can make it more straight to the point. Just something like this. So we can erase some unnecessary line anyway. Then we can push it to the another position by group, and we can duplicate. We can okay, we can duplicate it. Okay, maybe something like this. Then we can duplicate it again to make the parallel position with this drop drop of canopy. Okay, we can move it down just a little bit down. Okay. So you can improve by yourself anyway of this drop off. Okay. You can select it, select move, and press Ctrl and place on it. Okay. Okay, so and after that we can make the another. Okay, we can make the another little variation. We can make the little detail, just a little detail by selecting this line, select move, press Ctrl to duplicate it, and place on it. We can type 10 slash. I'm sorry. We can repeat again. We can move, select Ctrl, and press on it. We can type 20 slash. Then about it, we can place on it, and then we can type 6 slash. So then we can make the entrance gate in here. I'm sorry. Can okay, it's just like this. So we can make offset just a little bit offset. Okay. So then we can push it to the front and make group and just bring it down a little bit to make sure that this is entrance area. Okay, maybe you can continue it by yourself from the another side. Okay, and this one. Okay, you can select this one by one. Select it one by one, and then you can move and press Ctrl to duplicate it, and all of this side will be moved automatically. So we can place on this corner, and we can type 3 slash. Okay, so the distance between the line to line around 1 meter, and also we can implement it. So we can implement this for the another side anyway. We can select all of this line. Okay, so then we can select move, Control, and place on it. Then we can type 3 slash. It's done. Then we can also select it and select move and select, press Ctrl on our keyboard through this sloping line. Then we can type on it. Then we can type 6, or we can type 12 slash and enter. Okay, it will be like this. So we can set the another folded glass. Also we can select this and also select this one by one, and we can do the previous method to implement to this case. Then we can select move, press Ctrl, and place on it. Then we can type 3 slash. Okay, then we can continue it. Okay, select the line. Okay, one by one. You can select the line one by one. and then we can select a move and press Ctrl and press on it and type 3/. I'm sorry, it's gonna be wrong. It's gonna be wrong because the diagonal of this line is different between all the diagonal, so we have to make it we can make it manually. Okay, select it, move it, and we can type 3/ also. Okay, so we can continue it. We can select this line, select move, and then we can place on this corner, and we can type 10/, so it would be 1 meter of the distance between the another line anyway. Okay, and then we can make the another exploration anyway, so we can maybe we can set the landscape here. We can make the another landscape variation over there. Okay, it's just for example anyway. We can push it up, then we can offset it inside just a little bit more. We can make it a group, then we can also duplicate it to the another position. It is for simple concept and meshing anyway, for commercial building anyway. Okay, so we can make maybe we can set the component. We can use the component and we can select the component. We can select component sampler, and then we can select the 3. We can select the 3 over there. Okay, so we can set the 3 right here, maybe like right here, and just a little bit more. Or maybe we can set the 3. We can set the color first by selecting this green color and set the opacity. We can set the 50% of opacity. Then we can select the scale. We can make it smaller than before anyway. Okay, then we can move and duplicate it to the another position as we want anyway. For example, we can just place on it. Okay, and then then we can place to the another position also. Okay, and after that maybe we can select it, maybe we can edit the places to be more darkness, or just like this anyway. It's depend on the taste anyway. It's depend on the taste. Or maybe we can set the slab to be more gray. You can select the color. You can set this color, for example. You can apply to the another one maybe just like this, and or yeah, it's depend on you. Anyway. You can explore it more anyway. Maybe just like this, or just monochromatic. Okay, so then we can set the shadow. Okay, we can set the shadow over something like this maybe. Can set the shadow, then we can adjust the shadow itself with the shadow option. We can adjust the shadow. Okay, we can adjust the shadow as we want anyway. So Anyway, it look more representative enough anyway. So then we can set the another material of this landscape. Maybe we can use this. Okay. Okay, maybe we can setting up the glass material and many more. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope all of you get a lot of benefit from this video to explore the commercial building with folded facade and folded skin. Okay. And I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you and make easier your work, make inspiration of your design work or your project, and wait for my next video. Okay, thank you.